First off, I'd like to do a special shout out to each and every one of our subscribers for your patience and steadfastness since I haven't posted in a long time. Well, I'm back on two wheels now, and I got myself some budget action cameras, a Castle 7 and 7 LE to be precise, and now we get to talk about stuff. The core idea for repurposing this channel for motor content is to share my experiences on two wheels and possibly learn about yours. But from time to time, I might just mix things up because riding is not the only fun stuff I do. Well, that's what I tell myself. Anyways, today I want to share a story that taught me a very valuable lesson about being prepared for the unexpected, especially when it comes to the weather. Welcome to the video. So, here I am, ready to hit the gym on my trusty Tenere 700. Hold up, let me tell you a bit about this bike. It's an absolute beast on any terrain and my go-to for all my adventures. I'll reel out the key features right now. It's a 2024 Canadian edition, comes with the new 5-inch color TFT display, new ABS modes, Yamaha quick shift capability pre-wired, high torque 689cc CP2 parallel twin engine. It's lightweight, double cradle tubular steel frame, slim, compact and ergonomic body and seat, aggressive rally bred face with 4 LED lights and 2 LED position lights, adjustable long travel 43mm upside down fork with 210mm travel, remotely adjustable link type rear suspension with 200mm travel, amongst many other sweet features. Anyways, enough of that and back to the video. As I rode, the sky started to look a bit ominous. The clouds were gathering and I knew rain was on its way. I had a choice: take a chance and hope the rain would hold off, or make a quick detour to put on my rain suit. Now, riding in the rain without proper gear can be pretty miserable. Your visibility drops, the roads get slippery, and you end up soaked to the bone. Common sense won out, and I decided to play it safe. It's actually better to spend a few extra minutes getting prepared than risk getting soaked. As I rode to the gym, I felt a little proud of myself for making a smart choice. It's always a good feeling to know you're prepared, especially when riding. And by the way, for those curious about my rain gear, I use this brand called Sulaiti waterproof raincoat that I purchased on AliExpress for around $55 Canadian. I'll share a link in the description. And no, I am not sponsored by them. It's lightweight, easy to put on, and has kept me dry on many occasions. If you're serious about riding, investing in good rain gear is a must, especially if it comes at a decent price.
When I even have to find things that other people properties, which makes them very corrupted.
Percent spring, touching them that broken river killer. Because of revolution, that broke corruption.
When I even have to find things that other people properties, which makes them very corrupted. When I even have to find things that other people properties, which makes them very corrupted.
Percent spring, touching them that broken river killer. Because of revolution, that broke corruption. Then they started the eyes, and then we took the recursion and the death. The fact that they keep our resurrection.
When I even have to find things that other people properties, which makes them very corrupted.
Percent spring, touching them that broken river killer. Because of revolution, that broke corruption.
properties which make them very corrupted.
Nonsense spring, Georgie, then a broken river killer. Because of revolution, the corruption, then they start.
They were not even hard to find things that other people properties which make them very corrupted. They were not even hard to find things that other people properties which make them very corrupted.
Nonsense spring, Georgie, then a broken river killer. Because of revolution, the corruption, then they started the eyes, and then we took the recursion, and they left. The fact that they keep our residents.
They were not even hard to find things that other people properties which make them very corrupted.
Nonsense spring, Georgie, then a broken river killer. Because of revolution, the corruption,
Fast forward to later that evening, the workout was done, I was ready to head home. The sky had cleared up a bit and I figured the rain had passed. So I made a gamble. I decided to ride home without the rain suit. After all, what were the chances it will start raining again, right? The ride home was pretty uneventful at first. The roads were still a bit wet, but nothing too serious, you know. I was enjoying the cool evening breeze, thinking about how great it felt to be out on the road after a good workout. The Tenere 700 handles like a dream in all conditions, and I was feeling really pretty confident. Well, as it turns out, my gamble didn't pay off. Just a few meters from home, the skies opened up and I was caught in a downpour. No rain suit, no protection, just me raw dogging it in the rain. It went from dry to drenched in a minute. By the time I got home, I was completely soaked, bro. I actually really love it when I do get to ride in the rain, but riding in heavy rain without gear is not fun. The rain hits you like needles, visibility drops, you start to feel the chills in your body, and you feel every drop soaking through, especially in a country like Canada. Plus, the roads become slick, making it harder to control the bike. It's not just uncomfortable, it's downright dangerous. This experience taught me a very crucial lesson. Always be prepared. Even if the situation looks like it's in your favor, it's better to spend a few extra minutes getting ready than to face the consequences of being unprepared. So, to all my fellow riders out there, take it from me, do not take chances with the weather. Stay safe, stay prepared, and enjoy the ride. And I'll bid you farewell with a few more tips for riding in the rain. Always check the weather forecast before heading out. Make sure your tires are in good condition. They need to grip the wet road. Reduce your speed and increase your following distance. Keep your movement smooth and avoid sudden maneuvers. I thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more motorcycle adventures. Rubber side down always. Super out.